Hello and welcome to the Tigrepupbeauty channel. I'm Tigrepup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean up after shampooing your wig. Okay, this takes place after I've shampooed and conditioned and towel dried my wig. I got this item from Dollar Tree and it is the Comic Classic here. I'm also going to need some paper towels and a scrubber so I can complete this process. If you can recall, we used a hair stopper that I got from Walmart to catch all the shedded hair from the wig. As you can see, we have hair, we need to clean that up. So we're just going to use our paper towel and take that all out of the hair stopper and put that in the trash. Okay, so now we're going in with our Comet, and I found this very helpful in removing any stains that's left from the actual wig from the shampooing and conditioning and whatnot. And if you let it set for a minute or two, it'll actually remove the stain in my experience. Okay, now that we let the Comet set in for a minute or two, we're going in with our scrubber to make sure it's thoroughly cleansed, and it's going to remove most of those stains in my experience. And we're going to follow it up with a paper towel to dry it off. This completes part 4, cleanup. Please join me in my next video, part 5, which I show you how to pin your wig to your canvas wig block. Thanks for watching.